This video provides an illustration and brief overview of every form in this package. Although the video is lengthy, please be patient. Viewing this video in total will offer you insights to forms that you may have overlooked in your brief introduction to this all-inclusive package. This is our version of the traditional waterfall model depicting a step-by-step approach to application development. All of the 60 forms in the professional package fall in the appropriate phase shown on this model. The project concept initiation phase provides the high-level determination if the project is worthwhile via a review of the project charter, business case, cost-benefit analysis, and definition of the team to move the project forward. The project initiation agenda provides initial project agenda for a kickoff meeting whereby key stakeholders, sponsors, and key business and technology members are identified. The project charter provides the business goals, objectives, and management direction for starting the project in this initiation phase. The business case document identifies whether there is a potential business value to the proposed project idea or initiative before the organization commits time, resources, and expenditure. The project resource plan provides a centralized source for definition of all resources required for a project. The project planning phase establishes an initial view of the intended software product that helps establish the basic project structure. The statement of work provides information that will be performed in the project, including business objectives and project description. The project approval document formalizes approval for the project by all contributors. This cost estimating spreadsheet provides the opportunity to estimate and budget various IT costs. This development estimating spreadsheet provides the opportunity to estimate development costs. The risk information data collection form provides a vehicle for capturing detailed information on any of those risks for analysis and evaluation. The roles and responsibilities matrix displays key project activities and details of responsibilities for each individual or role across every functional department. Provides a matrix of key project activities, e.g., functions, tasks, documents, or phases, and who is responsible for approving them. The WBS activity worksheet is made available to subject matter experts, SMEs, to define the scope of work required for each activity and task within the work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure resource planning template provides a matrix of WBS tasks with the estimated duration of each task in hours with % of time required by the various skill sets. The WBS provides a work breakdown structure table that includes a task to be completed within a small project in lieu of the more formal project plan. This MS project schedule plan establishes both project execution and project control. The project manager's weekly checklist provides a checklist for IT project managers to remind them of critical tasks to ensure the project runs smoothly. The system requirements phase defines the major functions of the intended application or system. The business requirements document defines the general business requirements for the project, identifies business and end user requirements, problems or issues, project information, process information, training, and documentation requirements. The business requirements presentation provides a PowerPoint presentation shell to review the project business requirements with the stakeholders and business units sponsoring the project. Defines the functional requirements for the project, including the different levels of business and end user requirements and the functional areas of the business processes. The requirements checklist provides a sample quality assurance document to verify at a glance that major requirement functions and tasks have been completed. The requirements traceability matrix defines a method used to verify the association between the requirements shown in the requirements, specifications, and other project documents, including design and testing documentation. A training plan supports the use and maintenance of the specific system or application and includes information about training courses and the tools and techniques that will be used. The system design phase starts with approved requirements as its initial input. Design elements are built for each requirement. Design elements describe the software functions and features in detail. The system requirement specifications provide more details to the project's high-level requirements, including detailed information so that the system can be built to satisfy those system requirements and quality. The analysis and design document provides detailed information to perform an analysis and design of a system. Defines the technical requirements for the project to a sufficient level of detail to develop a system design and allow testers to test the system. The website planning checklist provides a checklist of numerous topics to consider when designing and developing a new website. Provides a template for structured approach to fill in detailed business and technical information for design and development of a user interface, i.e. a screen. The report design templates provides numerous topics to fill in detailed business and technical information for the design and development of a report. The conversion plan describes the strategies involved in the conversion of a system or application. Software features and functions are tested during the test phase, generally in a separate test environment. There are various types of tests, e.g. unit, integration, system, stress, regression. Provides the capability to perform a documentation quality assurance review prior to delivery and implementation. Testing scenarios are hypothetical stories used to assist an individual to think through a complex problem or system. This document provides a central artifact to govern the strategic approach of the test effort. It defines a general approach to be employed when testing the software and evaluating the results of that testing. Verifies that various project management, methodology, testing, configuration management, and documentation and records management principles and standards have been applied to a project. Provides management an overview of the system, applications, functions, and features that are to be tested in the UAT process. This report provides the ability to record details about an individual testing bug detected during unit, system, integration, and user acceptance testing. This list provides a status of all bugs detected during unit, system, integration, and user acceptance testing. Provides general information about systems or applications that require regression testing, including why testing is required, functional business areas affected, and testing timeline. The document formalizes acceptance of the project and describes the product and services the customer received. The project monitoring and control phase is where you become the watchdog over the project via data that is collected from project technical and frequent status meetings. This is a very important document used to record changes to the baseline and the action resolution of that change, so you have a record of these activities. This document provides the status of all project action items. The Risk Management Register is a management tool that identifies, assesses, and records recommended actions that management must take to alleviate the risk potential down to acceptable levels. This document is used to individually identify each issue that may impact the project and identify who created and resolved the issue. The Issues Management Log provides the ability to initially identify the issue and how the issue is assessed by the project team. The Project Milestone Status Form provides a vehicle for capturing the latest status of due date, completion date, and the milestone task status. Summarizes the project status, including project activity information about the project, planned activities for the next period, and deliverable description and status, management changes, risks and issues status. Documents the meeting date and time, participants, meeting minutes, conclusions, and action item status. This phase provides for production installation and customer acceptance of the software. Provides information for the installation of the system, application, or data, including installation strategy, planning, and risk factors and security. The Software User Guide provides training or reference information for using the system, product, application, or data. Provides procedures and information to administer and maintain a system, product, or application. The Production Implementation Plan provides a last step in formal approval and implementation of the project. The Production Turnover Approval provides a process that ensures changes to the production environment are planned, approved, tested, executed, and reviewed in a systematic, efficient, and controlled manner. This phase provides for the business and technical personnel to evaluate how well the project was executed and to quickly request minor changes once the production baseline has been established. The Lessons Learned template provides an opportunity for reflection after a project has been completed. It is highly beneficial to record what worked well within the project and where improvements can be made. The Transition Out Plan is used to describe how project deliverables will be brought to full operational status and integrated into ongoing operations and subsequently maintained. Upon completion of a project, good practice is to assess how you did on a project in conjunction with a Lessons Learned report. Used to review system application change requests to evaluate and approve technically sound and secure changes to the production environment and to limit potential impact to business capabilities. The Spec Out Rollback template identifies specific instructions for reverting back to a previous application version. Documents a disaster recovery plan as part of an overall contingency plan to complete that restoration task and keep the company running. This document permits a business unit, other departments, or auditors to initiate the process of requesting a new application or an enhancement to an existing application. Provides detailed instructions for retirement of a system or application. The Developer Knowledge Transfer Report provides a vehicle for conveying details about a system or application when a developer leaves employment. These project management forms can be branded to your organization by customizing numerous parameters, including your company name and logo, copyright statement, and more. As with any Office document, you can then optionally make changes to the content at any time. Our project managers, business analysts, and technical writers have been adding forms and templates to our ever-increasing inventory since 2007. To view our inventory, type in the name of the topic on this page into your browser to view information on professionally developed packages and individual forms.